Hello everyone, I'm Karidhi Himaranshi. My lesson is floating and sinking for age 4 to 5 toddlers. These are the learning outcomes. This is how I approached my lesson. First step on my lesson. This is my second step. Third step on my lesson. This is how I finish my lesson. Assessment of my lesson. Feedback and feed forward for the lesson. Teacher reflections. This is how I'm going to teach floating and sinking.
Hello preschool children. Let's sing our welcome song. Hello preschool friends, how are you? Good. Hello preschool friends, how are you? Good. Here is time to start our day. We are here to learn and play. Hello preschool friends, how are you? Good. Today's lesson we are gonna learn about pretty fun science activity. I have some objects on my desk. Let's go and see them. I have some objects on my tray. What can you see? You can see a steel spoon, a wood, a coin, and a feather. Today's lesson we are going to learn whether it's going to sink or whether it's going to float. Sink means that I'm gonna put it into the water and it's gonna go immediately to the bottom of the little container. Float means that I'm going to put it into the water and it's gonna stay on the top of the water. I will tell it again. Sink means that I'm gonna put it into the water and it's gonna go immediately to the bottom of the water container. Can you tell me some objects that sink? Shoes, coins, stones. What else? Erasers, scissors. Good. What is float? Float means that I'm going to put it into the water and it's gonna stay on the top of the water. Now tell me some objects that float. Yes, feathers, flowers, leaves. What else? Pencils, pens, boats, ships, you know. Very good. Sink or float. What does that mean? Let's do it in practically. I have a spoon. It feels heavy and it's made of steel. And when I put this into the water, watch. What happens? The spoon sinks to the bottom. Something that sinks goes all the way to the bottom. Do you see the spoon in there? Now I have a feather. What color is this feather? It's brown color. So when I put it in the water, it floats. Something that floats hang out at the top of the water or sometimes in about the middle, but it doesn't sink like the spoon. Okay, let's continue with our experiment. Look at these objects that would sink or float when you put them into the water container. Are you ready? Let's do it. You can see 3 water containers now. What you will have to do is you will have to put the object that float or sink into the correct container. You are doing this experiment with your peers. Now I am giving you some objects. Let's see what are the things on my tray. There is a leaf, a scissor, branch and a coin. What will you take first?
First I take a leaf.
She took a leaf. What do you think? Is it gonna sink or is it gonna float? Let's go and see it.
It floats. So it goes to this container.
What will you take now?
Now I'm taking a scissor.
She took the scissor. What color is this scissor? It's red color. I wonder, will it sink or float? What do you think? Let's see.
It sank. So it goes to this container.
What will you take now?
Now I'm taking a wood.
How about this wood she took? Will it sink or float? Let's see.
It floats. So it goes to this container.
What will you take now?
Now I'm taking a coin.
She took the penny. What do you think? Will coin sink or float? Let's see.
Now I'm putting a coin. It sank.
So which container it should go?
So it goes to this container.
Yes, it's right. The coin sank to the bottom just like the spoon. Now you can select some objects in the classroom and put them into the middle container and then again put them into the right container as you did. What will you take?
I am taking a ball.
Okay, you should put it now. What happens?
It floats.
Yes, it floats. Which container it should go?
It goes to this container.
Yes. Now you have to take some other objects and put them into these containers.
Now I'm taking a stone.
Okay, put it into the middle container. What happens?
It sank.
So which container it should go?
It goes to this container.
Yes, it goes to that container.
Now I'm putting a pen.
Okay, put it in.
It floats.
Yes, which container it should go?
It goes to this container.
Yes, you are right. Which object you are putting now?
I am putting a seashell.
Okay, put it in. What happens?
It sank.
Which container it should go?
It goes to this container.
Good. Now you can select some object in the classroom and put them into the middle container and then again put them into the right container as you did. Now you can do the same thing at home with a feather and a spoon. And tell me which one is float and which one is sink. When you come to the school again, I have made a boat. I will show you it now. It is made out of aluminium foil. You can make this boat at home like this. I have some rocks here, and we know the rocks are made out of materials that fix to the bottom. Let's put our foil boat into the water container.
It floats.
That's right, it floats. Now we are gonna put some rocks in it. Will you count with me?
Yes.
You have to guess how many rocks we have to put to sink the boat. Okay, boys and girls?
Yes.
Tell me how many rocks should we have to put there?
4, 3.
Let's see. Now we are going to sink the boat with rocks. Okay, children?
Okay.
Then let's do it. Let's put some rocks into the boat. You have to count with me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6,
It's going to sing now. 7,
7,
8.
8,
Did you saw that? It sank. How many rocks we have put it?
8 rocks.
There are 8 rocks in it. Wasn't this fun, boys and girls?
Yes.
When you make these guesses whether or not it will sink or float or how many rocks does it take to sink a boat, it doesn't matter if your guesses is right or wrong. I hope you had fun playing sink or float with me. I hope you had fun with me. Now I'm always here to say goodbye. Bye bye, see you again, hope to see you soon. Bye bye, see you again, hope to see you soon. Goodbye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.
Thank you. Recommendation for my lesson plan.